Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody, my name is Tadi Komegan Bilha. I want to talk about the fat. To start my presentation, I will describe the definition of fat. Then I will consider the classification of fat, then the benefit and source of the fat. Finally, I will summarize my presentation. Okay, I will try to answer your question after my presentation the end. Okay, the first I'd like to start from definition of fat. Fat are hydrophobic or organic substances that are purely soluble in water, but the fat is soluble in organic solvents such as chloroform, ether, and benzene. Now, I will move to classification of fat. There is three classification of fat. The first, simple fat. Simple fat composed of triglyceride, which consists of one glycerol and 3 fatty acids. For example, wax and oil. The second, fixed fat. Fat mixture is a combination of fat with a compound not of fat. For example, phospholipid and lipoprotein. The third, original fat. There is two original fat. The first, saturated fatty acid, are non-essential because it can be synthesized by the body and generally are solid at room temperature. The second, unsaturated fatty acid, are essential because they cannot be synthesized by the body and generally are liquid at room temperature. The source of fat. There is two source of fat. The first, fat of plant, or called vegetable fat. For example, coconut, hazelnut, olive, peanut, soy, and etc. Then, fat of animals, called animal fat. For example, meat, cheese, milk, fresh fish, egg, and etc. The benefit of fat. There is many benefit of fat. The first, as a protective body of low temperature. Then, as a solvent, vitamin A, D, A, K, and K. The third, as a tools energy producer. Then, as one of the composer of cell membrane. The last, as one of the composer of hormone and vitamin. Okay, the conclusion of my presentation is fat are hydrophobic organic substances that are poorly soluble in water, but the fat is soluble in organic solvent such as chloroform, ether, and benzene. The kind of fat is simple fat, fat mix, original fat, consists to original fat, saturated fatty acid, and unsaturated fatty acid. Okay, that's all my presentation. Any question? No? Okay. I want to close my presentation. Thanks for your attention. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.